Have you been dealing with an enlarged prostate that's causing you discomfort and affecting your quality of life? Well, in this video, we're here to tell you about the 8 herbal remedies that can treat your enlarged prostate naturally and improve your body's functioning. The reality is that a common problem for men around the world is an enlarged prostate. Also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, this condition affects over 70% of men aged 60 and up. It can cause difficulties with urination, urinary tract infections, and sexual issues as well. But before we get to the solutions, let's first discuss some facts about the condition. The prostate, a gland about the size of a walnut, actually plays a really important role. It produces fluid that mixes with semen, and usually you don't even notice this gland until later in life, like after you hit 50. But what causes this change? Well, it's pretty well known that as men get older, their testosterone levels go down. And as a result, their bodies start making more of this enzyme called aromatase. This enzyme is the one that converts testosterone into estrogen, which is a hormone that helps prostate cells multiply. As the prostate cells multiply, the prostate gradually enlarges and exerts pressure on both the bladder and the urethra. The reason for this is that the prostate surrounds the urethra, which is the tube through which urine passes when you pee. So as your prostate gets bigger, it squeezes your urethra, making your urine flow weaker and even causing dribbling after you pee. It can also make you feel like your bladder isn't completely empty. And that's why you might find yourself needing to pee more often, especially at night. That's not all. When men face prostate enlargement, it's often accompanied by increased insulin levels in the body. This condition is known as hyperinsulinemia. Eating a lot of carbohydrates like bread, pastries, crackers, cereals, sugar, biscuits, and popcorn can actually cause this problem. These processed foods make your pancreas release insulin, and too much insulin can actually increase estrogen levels in your body. This hormonal interaction can lead to prostate enlargement, especially in older men. Understanding how these hormones are connected helps us see why this condition is so common. That being said, men who have diabetes or liver damage, are overweight, or drink excessively are at a higher risk of experiencing prostate enlargement. This is because these conditions can lead to elevated insulin levels, which can contribute to the development of prostate enlargement. Luckily, nature has got us covered. There are a variety of herbal remedies that can help reduce prostate size without making you resort to invasive treatments, even medications. These natural remedies work by restoring the balance of estrogen and insulin levels in your body, allowing your prostate to return to its normal size. Pretty neat, right? Before we dive into exploring the herbal remedies that can benefit men with an enlarged prostate, we want to highlight an important reminder. The information shared here is for educational purposes only, not medical advice. And it's crucial that you consult with your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Now, here's the first herb on our list. Number 1, pumpkin seed oil. So this powerful herbal remedy is often used to help with urinary issues in older men. And as you now know, this is one of the known effects of having an enlarged prostate. Now, the seeds and oil of pumpkins contain an incredibly potent compound called beta-sitosterol. Lots of research has shown just how amazing this natural nutrient is at relieving symptoms associated with prostate enlargement. In particular, it can help with bladder discomfort, promote regular urination, and restore healthy urine flow. The best part? It works in a similar way to the medication tamsulosin, but without those pesky side effects. Pumpkin seed oil is packed with antioxidants that can help safeguard your prostate against damage from free radicals and oxidative stress. Plus, pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, a crucial mineral for men's reproductive health. If you want to give it a try, you have 2 options. Either munch on a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds or take a gel capsule with extracted pumpkin seed oil. Your choice. That said, pumpkin seed oil is not the only herbal remedy that contains beta-sitosterol. The next herb on our list has it too. Number 2, stinging nettle root. This herbal remedy is said to be incredibly effective for hormone balancing and helping to reduce insulin to control blood sugar levels. And we mentioned earlier how these 2 are contributing factors to prostate enlargement. Stinging nettle root is apparently pretty effective in preventing estrogen buildup in the male body, which is something that commonly happens as men get older. And as we mentioned, like pumpkin seeds, it also contains beta-sitosterol, which is a natural compound that's known for its ability to help with prostate issues like enlargement and prostatitis. Not only does beta-sitosterol improve urinary flow from the bladder through the urethra, but it also helps tone those muscles in that important area. That said, did you know you can easily grow stinging nettles at home? You can then harvest the roots to make your very own stinging nettle root tea. And if that's not your thing, no worries. You can also get extracts of this herb in a nutritional supplement form. But the stinging nettle root is not the only herb you can use to make tea. Number 3, green tea. This type of tea is often called a superfood. Many studies have looked at the nutritional content and potential health benefits of green tea, and it's been consistently found to help manage cholesterol levels, may have neuroprotective properties, and can be good for heart health. Plus, drinking green tea might also be beneficial for prostate health. But it's worth noting that most of the research on this topic focuses on its potential to protect against prostate cancer, rather than prostate enlargement. But there was this study done on men who were diagnosed with or suspected to have an enlarged prostate. And guess what? Researchers found a connection. They discovered that when these guys took a supplement made from green and black tea extracts, their urological health got better. That is, their urine flow improved, inflammation went down, and their overall quality of life got a boost. And get this, all of these improvements happened in just 6 weeks. Now, we have to mention that the green and black tea extracts used in the supplement are super concentrated, so they might have different effects compared to your regular cup of tea. But with the results of the research, it's worth considering adding some green tea to your diet if you want to take care of your prostate health. Plus, green tea is known for its chemoprotective properties when it comes to prostate cancer, so it's a smart choice all around. Number 4, cruciferous vegetables. These veggies have natural phytonutrients like indole, 3-carbinol, and sulforaphane. They help your liver balance hormone levels and prevent too much estrogen. Plus, they're great at regulating blood sugar and reducing insulin. In simple terms, cruciferous veggies can tackle the root causes of prostate enlargement. So, if you want to give your prostate a boost, you can consider including more broccoli, arugula, radish, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts in your diet. They'll do wonders for your health, and possibly even your prostate. Number 5, tomatoes. Did you know that lycopene is a well-studied remedy for prostate health? It's got some powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce prostate size and prevent further enlargement. You can find this natural red pigment in lots of fruits and veggies, but tomatoes are the best source. So here's a tip. Try adding more tomatoes to your diet. They can really help reduce inflammation in your urethra and bladder, making urination more normal. And here's a little secret. Cooking tomatoes actually boosts your body's absorption of lycopene by 4 times. So, instead of using ketchup and other condiments loaded with sugar, why not try making tomato-based sauces? It's a healthier swap that not only gives you the benefits of lycopene, but can also improve the overall nutritional value of your meals. Number 6, white button mushrooms. Did you know that white button mushrooms have some amazing benefits for your prostate health? They contain ergosterols and beta-glucans, which can help lower PSA levels and prevent prostate enlargement. So, as you age, these mushrooms can help maintain balanced testosterone levels and promote hormonal equilibrium as they work to block aromatase. That means they can help prevent BPH and even get your prostate back to its normal size. If you're looking to incorporate them into your diet, white button mushrooms are great in stir-fries or as a delightful addition to your salads. Here's another one on our list that can block aromatase. Number 7, lemon peel. This is a potent remedy for reducing prostate size. It's because lemon peels contain a high concentration of limonene, a natural aromatase inhibitor. By blocking aromatase in the male body, limonene prevents the conversion of testosterone into estrogen. This not only addresses the root cause of prostate enlargement, but also aids in maintaining muscle mass as you age. But how can you consume a lemon peel, you ask? It's as simple as combining a whole, organic, unwaxed lemon with its pith, peel, seeds, and fruit in a glass of water, then blend until smooth. For added sweetness, consider including a cup of berries or using a natural sweetener like xylitol or stevia. This affordable remedy is said to enhance prostate health by promoting shrinkage and preventing further hypertrophy. Number 8, moringa. This is another powerful herb that can help with reducing prostate enlargement. It's usually made into powder form using the dried leaves of the moringa tree, which loves warm climates like that in the Philippines and India. Moringa has been known for centuries for its incredible medicinal properties. It's packed with healing compounds and essential minerals, making it a versatile remedy for many health concerns. As we mentioned earlier, you have the option to consume this in powdered form, but you can also take it in capsule form. Consuming moringa on a daily basis can help reduce inflammation in your body, including the prostate. It has also shown great effectiveness in relieving arthritis pain. And guess what? It has even been found to suppress tumor growth and lower the risk of prostate cancer or further prostate enlargement. Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel.